guys, welcome back to another vlog. So, Apple Pay is finally here. Okay, Ate Red, mukhang huli ka na sa balita. Well, guys, there are so many good things about this na dapat natin siyang pag-usapan. And I also have an opinion na I think is beneficial sa mga OLA users, guys. Because with this, nako, mapapaganda nito yung ating digital footprint. Well, you have to watch the whole video para malaman mo how this thing can be beneficial sa atin, mga gumagamit ng mga online loan platforms. So let's talk about Apple Pay, how to set it up, ano yung mga banks na supported, and how this can help us, mga palautang online loan app users. Hello everybody! Welcome back to another vlog. It's Ate Red here and exciting kasi puro utang yung pinag-uusapan natin. Well, at least mag-deviate tayo sa ganyang topic. For now, let's talk about payment methods and spotlight natin ngayon ay dito sa Apple Pay. Pero guys, this video is not sponsored ha. It's based on my personal experience. I am excited na gumamit ng Apple Pay because main phone ko, which all my banking apps are here. Di dun sa kabila, sa Android, sa Samsung ko. All my banking apps are here, guys. So this is exciting for me kasi I am an iPhone user. There are two main important things para gamit mo yung Apple Pay. Obviously, you need to have an Apple device, which is your iPhone or your smartwatch. And you need to have this app, which usually nasa phones nyo na if you have the latest iPhone model. So, I don't have an Apple Watch. I find it too inconvenient. Prefer ko pa rin yung Garmin ko. So, I'm just gonna concentrate on being able to use Apple Pay sa iPhone. By the way, guys, if wala pa kayong iPhone, you wanna buy an iPhone, meron tayong product sticker dyan na dadirect kayo sa Shopee. Wala lang, dagdag ko lang sa content ko. Convenient naman po talaga yung mga ganitong mga technology, guys. Kasi diba, na-hassle naman na pag pumupunta ka sa isang merchant. Sometimes, yung tanong nila, wala ka bang small bills? Meron ka bang 50 pesos? Yung gano'n. So, syempre, if medyo your hands are tied, kailangan mo pang maghanap ng mga coins dun sa mga bag mo. O, di ba mas convenient kung tap ka na lang sa phone mo. Hindi ko pa siya actually nagagamit, but just looking at the instructions, it looks simple. Kasi nagamit ko na rin si Google Wallet ko once. So, I think it's gonna be as easy as that. Pero I think mas madali yung pag-add ng bank. Now, the question is, supported ba yung bangko mo? How easy is it to add a payment method sa Apple Pay? 4 pa lang yung banks yung supported at the time of filming this video. And no, hindi po pwede Maya, hindi po pwede e-wallets like GCash. Ngayong month lang siya na-launch, guys. Ang dami ng merchants kaagad na meron. So, I was in Cebu last time, nasa Bershka ako, and I think Zara, meron na silang mga notif, yung mga standees nila sa counter that they're accepting Apple Pay. Because Apple Pay works sa any MasterCard or Visa terminals na yung merong contactless payment. Alam nyo yung may sign na gano'n, kung saan ka magtatap ng credit card mo, doon din, i-hold mo lang yan against the machine for a few seconds until mag-ting, gano'n, or lumabas na yung receipt. Supported na banks ngayon ay 4 lang. And I'm glad na 3 of the banks na supported ay meron ako. GoTime is one of the supported banks. So, napakadali talaga mag-add. So, just make sure you have this icon. If not, i-download mo lang sa App Store. Or update if you need to. And once you're in, recognize niya na. I think this one, these options work for, other places kung saan mas maraming cards or banks yung supported. But for now, sa atin, this cards found for you doesn't really make sense. So, merong other option which is debit or credit card. And if you select that option, pero I wouldn't bother with this for now kasi 4 lang naman yung selected and you will see why later. So, of course, dun mismo sa Apple Wallet, the app, meron siyang a little overview kung paano gamitin and then saka mo i-add yung card details mo. So, you can choose to add your card manually or you can lagay mo yung card mo sa likod para ma-gets niya yung details, contactless. Ano nga tap nga di ba? Sa mga supported banks like GoTime, Metrobank, Union Bank, and China Bank, wala akong China Bank, integrated na mismo. Like, it's so easy to link. So, for this example, gamitin natin si GoTime kasi meron akong sisingit na information later which I think magugustuhan ng mga gustong ma-approve with better terms, higher credit limits, lower interest rates sa mga legit na mga online loan platforms. Paano nga ba i-link yung GoTime sa Apple Pay? Just make sure na kung yung virtual card mo or yung more time virtual card mo, dinicide mo yung gamitin sa Apple Pay, hindi naka-lock ha, kasi may card lock feature sa loob ng GoTime app. Pag nakalock yan, tapos ginamit mo siya sa Apple Pay, yan mag-go through. Baka select the card na gusto mo or you can add all. Kasi di ba may GoTime card, merong GoTime virtual card, meron ding GoTime more time virtual card. Yung more time, ito yung financing option ni GoTime na kung ito yung ginagamit mo sa payment option, diretso siya magpupush through basta meron kang pang first payment, okay? And the rest is installment na every month. Mag-add lang naman tayo ng card. So, meron pong button dyan sa baba na add to Apple Wallet. Yun lang yung pipindutin mo. I-click mo lang yung continue, card added successfully na. Ganun siya kadali. You can also add the device. Kung gusto mo isama yung smartwatch mo, yung Apple Watch mo, otherwise you can just skip that. The same process is followed sa kay Metrobank and it's safe to assume na ganun din sa kay Union Bank. So nag-login lang ako sa kay Metrobank. I selected the card that I wanted to link sa kay Apple Pay and after that, syempre mag-a-agree ka lang sa terms and conditions and then just click continue. And if your card is successfully added, it will say so. So, yun. Reason why I'm putting emphasis sa kay GoTime because, diba, GoTime is a digital bank. Usually, yung mga digital banks, yung mga online loan platforms, yung mga legit, they use alternative credit scoring methods. Sa bank kasi napaka-strict nila yung talagang importante po talaga sa kanila yung tinatawag na credit score. Dito naman sa mga online banks or digital banks and mga online loan platforms, okay, meron silang alternative credit scoring method that look beyond. So, hindi lang credit score yung sinisilip nila, pati na rin yung activities natin sa phone or our digital footprint. How active we are sa mga apps natin like GoTime. And kung maganda yung ating digital footprint, yun din yung isa sa mga things na binabasihan nila kung mag-o-offer sila ng loan para sa atin. So, ito si GoTime dahil digibank siya and the more you use it, baka tataas yung GoTime, more time credit limit. Kasi alam nyo guys, meron ng cash. Pwede nang i-convert sa cash yung more time eh. So, I think being able to actively use it, having Apple Pay is a good, way for us to be able to actively use our GoTime account here. So yun guys, I feel very optimistic na meron ng Apple Pay dito and kung hindi man supported yung bank mo, I also have a feeling na later on it will have more banks na supported. Anyways, that's all I have for now and I will definitely use this when I get the chance and further i-observe natin and then let's see how this can be helpful sa ating mga GoTime accounts. So that's all I have for you today and I will see you on the next vlog. Bye!